Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video we show you the result of our new development, Japanese to English conversion of the Nissan Serena e-Power van. This 7-seater hybrid electric van is the first import to New Zealand from Japan. All menus in its sophisticated instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change it to English. We managed to reprogram it. Van is packed up with modern features. Instrument cluster provides on-screen pop-up guidance, displays notifications, statistics, and offers selection of various settings. Various menus available: driver assistance, display customization, vehicle settings, maintenance reminders, clock settings, and consumption settings. Driver assistance submenu offers settings for ProPilot, lane departure warnings and lane departure prevention, emergency brake assist, traffic sign recognition, parking assist, driver attention alert, timer and low temperature alert. Display customization menu has ProPilot settings, Aqua info settings with statistics. Vehicle settings submenu offers selections for lights, turn indicator, locking, and wipers. Maintenance reminders submenu have selection of oil and filter change, tires check, and others. Clock settings submenu allows you to set up the clock. Mileage fuel submenu offers choice to display kilometer per liter of fuel or liter per 100 kilometers. Apart from normal driving conditions, any error messages will now pop up in English as well. Thank you for watching.